Welcome to JTs Ride Blog. I'm JT, and in this weekly video series, we'll run down any giveaways, promos, new products, and event announcements we come across in our day-to-day lives while running TeamFASMotorsports. We'll be covering ATVs, side-by-sides, personal watercrafts, snowmobiles, dirt bikes, and whatever else comes across my desk. So be sure to check us out every Wednesday evening to find out what's new in the off-road industry right here on the TeamFAS YouTube channel. Before we get into it, please like the video. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for all video updates and info on our monthly giveaways. First up is our free November giveaway. We're giving away a remote start kit from Dirty Teeth Racing. They make these awesome kits for various models of Polaris, Can-Am, Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, John Deere, Kubota, Bobcats. I'll put a link down in the description to the video with all the info on that so you guys can check that out. But again, it's totally free to join. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and fill out the form in the giveaway video. So again, it'll be in the description below. This next one is a hometown event we are personally part of every year. So if you could donate toys or anything, please contact me on Facebook, leave us a comment, or again, email me at teamfas@hotmail.com. It's the 8th annual Murph's Toy Drive. It goes down here Saturday, December 3rd, 2022 from 6 p.m. to midnight at the Villa Roma Clubhouse here in Callicoon, New York. This year, all of the toys donated will be going to Sullivan County families in need through Sullivan County United Way. They have also partnered up with and are the official event for Toys for Tots here in the Hudson Valley. Toys for Tots is a program through the United States Marine Corps, and they're celebrating their 75th anniversary. The price per ticket is $50 and unwrapped toys and gets you 2 hours open bar, buffet-style dinner, and entertainment all night long. The more toys you bring, the more raffle tickets you receive to win one of the amazing door prizes donated by local businesses here in the area. There is one prize per person. So please check out the event on Facebook. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comment section. Never Satisfied Off-Road Ugly Sweater Ride and Party. This will be going down at the Harlan County Campground located in Black Mountain, Kentucky on December 10th, but they will be riding both Friday and Saturday. On Saturday the 10th at 7 p.m., they'll be having an ugly sweater Christmas party. There'll be games, kids cookie decorating, food, and a gift exchange for anyone who wants to participate. If you can't ride or you're not able to make it, you're still invited to come out and enjoy the awesome group party. Hit up Never Satisfied Off-Road on Facebook for more info. Also on December 10th, the Brian R. Rich Jr. Toy Ride, Decorating Contest, and Parade down at the famous Reading Off-Road Park in PA. You have to meet and be ready to leave by 10 a.m. at the Darkwater Trailhead. You'll be taking the Holiday Trail into Minersville and arriving at the youth soccer field. They'll have food vendors, music, and the judging of the decorating contest, so be sure you deck out your ride. Then at 1 p.m., they'll have a police-escorted parade through Minersville. This is an FRO member-only event, and they ask you please bring unwrapped toys to present at the tree lighting at 6 p.m. You can get more info on the famous Reading Off-Road page on Facebook. Next on our list is a raffle being done locally here in Northeast PA by the NEP Snowmobile and ATV Trails LLC. They're raffling off a brand new Ranger 1000. Tickets are available from club members or online. They are $20 for one or $6 for $100. You can get all the info in the description for that raffle and where to get the tickets as well. Now let's get into some new products. These are products that have been released within the last week. Some aren't even up on our website yet, so be sure to call us at 914-799-5558 if you do not see something that has been mentioned here on the video. But if they're not up, they will be probably within about a week of once this is posted. So for sure, just give us a call to shop if needed. First up is Evo with their all-new Paragon P43, P46, and P50 turbo kits. These are pretty awesome. Just taking a look at them, there's just so much detail and, benefits to upgrading and the parts that they used in them. You really have to check out the entire description, but these things are like a piece of art. They did release 15 kits with fitment for the Maverick X3, Razor Turbo, and Pro XP. Next, we have the all-new billet monorail brace from Zbroz. Zbroz is excited to be offering this all-new billet monorail brace for the 146, 154, and 165 Articat Alpha 1 suspension and Yamaha Mountain single beam suspension kits. Made from 6061 billet aluminum, these will add a ton of rigidity and strength while saving you weight. Also from Zbroz this week, the new Skidoo Gen 4 and 5 R-Motion X Center and rear X1 and X2 series exit shocks. Fitments are for both Renegade and the MXZ. And last from Zbroz are the new Pro R and Turbo R Walker Evans 2-seat and 4-seat Stage 1 spring kits. These help obviously gain your ride height back, all the strength in your shocks, reduce your body roll, and definitely helps out with the rear end buckings or some of the rougher terrain. Awesome kits. Zbroz makes some really nice suspension products, and go ahead and check those out as well. Next up, we have Razorback Designs. They've been around quite a while. We've been a dealer with them for probably going on 8 or 9 years, selling their belt sensor temp gauges, the digital ones, for a long time. We've ran them on our XP900, XP1000, going back into 2012, 2014. So we've had a long time working relationship with them. Pretty great products, really, really nice to know what's going on. So they came out with 2 different items this week. The Razorback Belt Cooling Fan Kit, which is a smart temperature control system for the CVT clutch belt on your UTV. You can push for greater performance than ever, knowing your belt will stay at optimal temperature for long life. The fan is designed to push 2 to 3 times more air than any other belt cooling fan on the market. This kit is also available as a combo with the 3.2-inch dimmable gauge that they have. That is very similar to the original gauge style that they had. This is just, their 4th version of it. It's what I'm getting from the take and all the upgrades. This 3.2 is the latest and greatest version of the patented thermal compensated infrared belt temperature gauge design. This gauge allows for real-time monitoring of belt surface temperature and features multicolor LED temperature alerts. On the anti-glare screen, you'll be able to easily monitor current, average, and high belt temperatures. The added rocker switch now allows you to dim both the LED light as well as your LCD screen and cycle between 5 levels of brightness to suit your riding needs. So that'll wrap up the products for this week. We will obviously continue to add products as we go along for our next week's segment. This is a great time for you guys to go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date on everything that we do. And now we'll go ahead with some of the Black Friday sales that have been announced to us so far. This week we have 2 new updates. We have Factory UTV. We'll be offering that on TeamFASMotorsports.com. They will be 10% off on all skid plates. Also, we have Revo Motorsports. They are going to be running 10% off as well. That's from November 23rd to November 29th. That's all your doors, your bumpers, stuff like that Revo carries. Also, Savage UTV, 15% off MSRP. That'll be on the Team FAS Motorsports page from Black Friday 11/25 through 12/9. Also on the website, EFX Tires, 15% off from November 18th till December 2nd. We have Zbroz doing 15% off November 18th to December 2nd. CKX, they're doing 10% off MSRP. Jethware, which is snowmobile riding equipment and gear, they're doing 15% off MSRP on all their items. And again, all of this stuff, contact us here at Team FAS Motorsports. A lot of the stuff will be digital catalogs that will not be on our website. So make sure you call us or shoot us a message on Facebook, anything like that. We'll go ahead and get you a price right away. But if you need to give us a call here at the shop, it's 914-799-5558. Call us anytime. We'll be happy to go over anything Black Friday related and Cyber Monday related with you at any time. So just go ahead and give us a call. Best way to reach us, as always, is probably through Facebook Messenger. We, even on the road, anytime, somebody always happens to go ahead and they're able to respond to you that way pretty quickly. So that is the best way. But otherwise, during business hours, give us a call anytime. We appreciate you watching and listening as always, and we will do another final follow-up for Black Friday next week on November 23rd. So be sure to hit like and subscribe so you do not miss that announcement. Don't forget to hop on over and sign up for the free raffle. That's on the other video. Watch that. That's right there on our channel. All the info that you need is in the description of that video. So subscribe to the channel. Sign up on the forum. It's all free, and you can win a remote start kit from Dirty Teeth Racing. So pretty awesome giveaway. Again, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next week.